Sarap. Hi everyone! Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's unbox this and try some products from Comida. Let's go! So Comida is a healthy snack product provider. I got the chance to try their products. Actually, bumili ako ng ibang product nila. So today, meron pa ako ibang product na itatry and samahan niyo ako. Let's see kung ano yung mga product na ito. I have here Nutter Peanut Butter. Look at their packaging. Sobrang simple lang. And it is not made of plastic. So, sustainable packaging. Try natin kung ano yung nalas sa loob niya. Oh, it's like this. Look at this. Sarap. Promise. Snack on the go. The best to. Right after the workout. They have this chili nuts. So, nabuksan ko na siya. Natry ko na siya actually. Pero ipapakita ko pa rin sa inyo. Different nuts. May peanut. May almond. So, it's healthy. May garlic din. Look at this. Pero, this is a bit spicy for me. Pero I don't know with other people kasi mas mataas yung tolerance ng iba. Unlike me, mababa tolerance sa hot and spicy. And they have this chocolate bar. This is perfect for a post-workout snack. Kasi after the workout, kailangan natin kumain agad. So, pwede itong pamatid gutom right after the workout. And it's healthy. It has protein. And then less carbs and less fats. And it is 190 calories. This one. So, perfect for post-workout snack. Meron pa palang iba na natry ko na rin last weekend. So, hindi na umabot dito. Naubos ko na. This one, honey trail mix. And also, naubos ko na rin yung isa, which is the walnut. Masarap din siya. So, that's it for all the product that I got from Comida. If you want to try Comida product, just check their IG, which is comida.foods. Alright? Thank you so much for watching and ingat po tayong lahat. Bye-bye!